Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. 3 easy claw clip hairstyles for you today. These are so popular as of late. So the first one, you're just going to brush your hair smooth, of course, split it into 2 pieces, and you're going to tie it into a knot just like you're tying your shoe. Pull it tight and then just begin kind of twisting the 2 pieces together. It doesn't matter which way you twist it, just twist it. And then if you have long hair like me, twist it up and then make a loop down and then just kind of tuck it under. And you're going to make sure you have plenty of room on top so the clip will fit into your hair. Then you can tuck the ends a little bit if you want to. I like the disheveled look. This is one of my favorite ones. Next one, you're going to twist it again and twist it up and around as if you're going to make a bun. But instead of making a bun, you're going to tie your hair into a knot. Just grab the ends and pull it through. Try to keep it as tight as you can. Then just hold the piece up and the end piece up and then just put the clip in. And then let the rest of it hang. I like this one as well. I used to wear this style all the time for work. Next one, you're going to make just a simple 3-strand braid. I tend to braid my hair under. It doesn't matter, braid it under, over. This is very simple and lived-in looks, so it doesn't matter which way, just braid it. If you don't know how to make a 3-strand braid, I do have a tutorial on my Instagram about that. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go for it. I do hair tutorials every week. I love doing hairstyles. It's just my passion, so feel free to subscribe. You're going to put it in, I like the goodie elastics, then you're going to take your hair and fold it. Make sure it's folded high up on your head if you have long hair, and just add the clip. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these 3 claw clip hairstyles. Feel free again to comment below your favorite one. And if you like claw clips, and what are your favorite claw clips? I'd love to know. Be sure to follow my Instagram as well. I do all kinds of hairstyles there. Love you guys. Bye.